여기는 뉴욕의 밀레니엄 빌딩. 주유에서 가장 높은 102층의 이곳에서 경비원 앤디는 건너편 건물에 좋은 구경을 합니다.
It's my quarter. Come on.
This is really something. Give me another quarter. Thank the Lord for making babies like that.
This is my last one. Let me look. Let me look.
Okay.
Where are they?
You moved the telescope.
Oh, give me quarter. Give me quarter.
I don't have any quarters.
Oh,
Five, come in, please.
Yeah, 6'5", Andy.
We can't see you on the monitor. Check the camera, will ya?
Some joker put a plastic bag over it. Can you see me now?
그러다 큰 벼락이 치는 바람에 안으로 들어오게 됐고 그가 화장실을 간 사이 동료는 엘베에서 수상함을 느끼게 됩니다.
doors? Stay open. Stay open.
What the did you do?
I don't know. It was the elevator. Watch out.
You watch out. Are you coming or what?
Yeah.
How dumb can you get?
한편 엘베 수리 회사에 다니는 제프는 친구 마크가 연락되지 않자 그의 집을 찾아갔는데 마크는 밤새 여친과 싸우며 술을 마시다 아침이 돼서야 차에서 깨게 됐고
Hey, Jeff. Hurry up, will you? We're late as it is. Bus is leaving in 2 more.
All right. Be right
게으른 마크였지만 일자리를 소개해준 제프의 얼굴을 봐서라도 열심히 일하기로 합니다.
A few months aren't all that exciting, that's all. My ass is on the line, so don't fuck up. Solemnly swear. I'm gonna become elevator mechanic of the year for you.
Kennedy Airport was delayed for more than 1 hour due to a failure in the radar system established. An investigation is underway.
Can you believe they... Morning, guys.
Wife's upstairs taking her pregnancy class.
Well, Freddie coming up.
In her 32nd week.
Come up nice and slowly. See you ladies next week.
밀레니엄 건물의 산모 관리원에서 수업이 끝나며 모두 알베에 몸을 싣게 되는데 엘베는 갑자기 급강하더니 이어서 멈춰버리게 됩니다.
We are going fast, aren't we?
Whoops. We got a problem.
Third time this week. Every time there's nothing wrong.
빌딩 관리자는 최근 잦은 증세였다며 별일 아니라 생각하게 되는데 내부에선 긴급 전화와 에어컨까지 고장나게 되고
Your husband works here, doesn't he?
Yeah, he'll have us out in no time.
Hot in here. Well, there's no air.
Dwayne here. Between 21 and 22. Okay. Power's cut. Internal safety systems taking over.
Wife took that elevator.
외부의 열쇠에도 문이 열리지 않게 됩니다.
It fits, but it doesn't work.
Like a sun in here. Oh, this can't be right.
상황이 지속되자 놀란 산모 중 2명의 양수가 터지며 통증이 시작됐고
Doors are stuck. I don't know. We have to think of something else.
You got the right key?
Of course I have the right.
엘베는 전원이 차단된 채로 제멋대로 1층으로 다시 내려가기 시작하는데
I thought you cut the power.
I did. I don't know what's happening. Excuse me.
Chip!
What?
My computer's acting weird.
모닝포스트의 여기자 에반스. 그녀는 엘베 사건의 취재를 맡게 되며 현장에 나가게 됐고 그녀는 기사라면 수단과 방법을 가리지 않는 열혈 기자였습니다.
There were babies? You can talk to me. I'm a nurse.
Behave yourself. I'm not gonna do you any favors anymore. Now, come on. They gave birth? 2 of them. You won't believe the mess.
제프와 마크도 엘베 수리를 위해 건물을 방문했는데
Hi there. I'm Duncan's maintenance chief. It's a terrible.
빌딩의 회장은 피해를 줄이기 위해 빠르게 수리를 마무리해달라 합니다.
It's going to cost us a fortune, even if they don't sue.
It can be very soon. Within the hour, I'd say. 1,000 people a day. They lose a lot of money when they're out of order.
빌딩 수리 담당자는 벼락의 원인이 아닐까 물어보지만 제프는 무시했고
We counted 4 strikes.
So what are you saying? You're saying lightning struck the control unit? Asian fucking up computers like this. It's a thing of the past.
If you need anything, call 900.
Yeah, we will. Thanks.
Pissed him off.
What if he was right? Very unlikely. But even if he was, we ain't gonna admit it. We're the experts, right?
전상과 내부 장비를 모두 살펴봤지만 문제는 딱히 발견하지 못하게 됩니다.
Beats me. What's wrong?
What is that? It's just a draft.
대충 관리자들에게 원하는 답변을 던져주고 수리를 마무리 짓기로 합니다.
Let's go. Tell them they can turn it on again.
What are we gonna report?
Reported everything's fine.
They're gonna want to know why.
We give them something minor so they can sleep at night.
Yeah, I'm all set.
Thanks, Tracy.
If your wife likes it, Mr. Faith. With the wash, it totals $66.50.
Look at you. One last time.
Of course. Think you've seen enough, Mr. Faith.
You're so beautiful, Tracy.
I will, thanks. Come on, Buster.
Green hair? Are you nuts?
The dirty prick deserves it.
녹색 머리의 맹인 할아버지는 빌딩에 익숙한 듯 로비층을 눌렀지만 엘베는 반대로 올라가기 시작했고
Sure, press the right button. I guess we get company, Buster. Is there anybody there? I guess not. Is this gonna happen or what? Come on, Buster. Let's take one of the others.
반응하지 않는 엘베로 인해 다른 걸 타려고 했는데 다른 엘베는 도착하지 않은 채 문이 열리게 됐고
Last.
어떻게든 주인을 살려보려는 댕댕이의 노력에도 불구하고 결국 다 같이 추락하고 맙니다. 같은 날 늦은 밤 모두가 퇴근한 시간에 누군가 엘리베이터를 타고 있다는 신고에 앤디가 확인하러 가게 되는데
It's just past 24, still going up.
We'll have a look.
What do you think? Burglars or?
Still going up. It stopped at your floor.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Doors are opening. No one's coming out.
Careful.
We didn't see anyone come out.
Is it still on 40?
Affirmative.
다가갈 때쯤 하면 요요처럼 왔다 갔다 하며 똥개 훈련을 시키던 엘베는 갑자기 열리게 됐고
My flashlight.
안을 살펴보려던 앤디는 문 사이에 목이 끼게 됩니다.
What are you doing?
He's stuck between the doors.
The elevator. It's coming.
What? Andy!
그 와중에 위층에서 서서히 엘베가 다시 내려오게 되면서 앤디는 결국
Have been closed down since early morning, leaving hundreds of tourists stranded outside that have claimed the lives of one visitor and one security guard.
I don't like elevators.
사망자가 발생하자 경찰까지 출동하게 됐고
I think it's too early to say for sure that we're dealing with a mechanical malfunction.
You know, decapitations don't happen that much.
Reported someone in the building. Did you find any evidence to support that?
The video, it doesn't show anybody ever entering or leaving the elevator. Behavior, but couldn't somebody be playing with the control?
형사는 CCTV에 사람이 발견되지 않아 내부자의 조작을 의심하게 됩니다.
When can we expect a report from them? I figure any minute now.
수리를 위해 출동한 마크는 잠입 취재를 하고 있던 에반스와 마주치게 되고
It'll shrink in the wash.
You're a reporter, aren't you?
Yeah.
어제의 사건에 대해 묻는 그녀에게 상황을 말해줄 수 없다며 돌아섭니다.
Elevators like to kill people. It's common knowledge. 10 people get on, 9 people get off.
Come on, be serious.
I'm not gonna say anything to you.
Hey, you there.
That's her?
I'm with him.
I don't know her.
But he raped me. No, officer, arrest that man.
People have been killed, Jeff. It seems like you don't really give a shit about that. Let the police find out what happened.
이번에도 검사 결과대로 엘베에 이상이 없다며 보고하긴 했지만 마크는 현재 상황에 강한 의문을 품게 됩니다. 회사로 돌아온 마크는 사장에게 불려가게 되는데
What's going on?
And passengers doesn't get out of an elevator alive.
I was joking. I didn't mean it.
Well, I didn't hear anybody laughing this morning. Especially on my phone. Now, we spent years establishing the fact that elevators are one of the safest.
에반스에게 농담으로 던진 말들이 기사화되면서 사건의 용의자까지 되고 말았고
I'm a suspect?
I'm not gonna fire you.
친구 제프에게 피해가 될까 마크는 걱정하게 되는데
Well, the last thing I want to do is get Jeff in.
So let's consider this just a bad mistake.
It won't. I'll promise you that. Murphy. I'm not working with Jeff today.
어느새 수리 파트너가 다른 사람으로 바뀌게 되었고 창밖으로 엘베 연구원인 스타인버그 박사와 제프가 다투는 장면을 보게 됩니다.
Hey, that guy Kowalski.
His mind died in his car near the East River.
You work on the elevators in the Millennium Building?
Yeah, that's right, together with Jeff. Man, drink up. We gotta go. We got a busy, busy day.
한편 두 명의 남자가 도심에서 위험한 경주를 시작했는데 밀레니엄 빌딩 지하에서 한 남자가 넘어지게 됐고 그대로 지하 엘베에 빨려 들어가게 됩니다. 그리고 잠시 후 옥상 엘베에서 배 터지듯이 밖으로 튕겨져 버리고 맙니다.
Took a wrong turn or what?
Yo, Janet. Girl, you looking S. Come on, Mark, you gonna have some.
사건을 뉴스로 확인한 마크는 밀레니엄 빌딩으로 바로 출격했고
I have some food here.
Give me the keys, the car keys, now, come on.
You left something in the car?
그곳에서 에반스와 재배하게 됩니다.
Come on, Mark, we ain't got no business here.
Determine how it was possible for the victim to break through 12 millimeters of glass.
Was there any evidence of foul play?
It's an ongoing investigation.
I'm sorry, okay? I don't make the headlines. They fucked up. It's not my fault.
Yeah, the strangest thing is having the police on my ass now.
The police?
I became a suspect. Don't do it again, okay? I mean,
Okay.
there's some kind of horror story, are you?
Well, I'm just after the truth.
Leave me out of it, all right?
What, my life?
Your story.
Whoa, shit.
에반스는 엘베 사건을 분석하기 위해 CCTV를 몰래 훔쳐 마크를 찾아왔고
Can we use your VCR?
You stole the tape.
I borrowed it. Look familiar?
Millennium Building parking garage.
They're racing each other.
사건 당시 지하에서 옥상까지 2초도 안 걸렸던 점을 보여주며 물리적으로 불가능한 사건들이 벌어지고 있음을 알려줍니다.
That's what I thought.
2 seconds?
1.8 seconds to be exact.
Oh, there's something wrong with the time code. That elevator takes at least 40 seconds to go up.
42. I did it this afternoon.
Say that again.
You still think there's nothing wrong with those elevators?
마크는 테이프를 보여주기 위해 제프를 찾아갔지만 평소에 제프답지 않게 그는 마크에게 크게 화를 내며 혼자 늦은 밤 빌딩을 향하게 됩니다.
Tape, I got no time for this bullshit.
Jeff, no, man, you gotta look at the tape. It has to do with the elevators at the Millennium Building. I'm trying to help.
Stop trying. All right, Mark? Stop trying.
Come on, Jeff, be reasonable.
Always like that?
No. To an expensive restaurant tonight. Only been there once before. The night before you guys went off to Desert Storm.
수상한 인물이었던 스타인버그 박사에 대해 찾아보던 둘은
Joins research team of Professor Malcolm Mackenzie at Codelt Industries.
Codelt Industries. What is that about?
Bribery, illegal use of government money.
Not a pretty company.
회사 동료를 통해 그가 바이오 칩을 연구하다 실패한 사람이란 걸 알게 되고
Biochips.
What's that?
Computer chips based on live tissue. The whole thing went totally out of control. Mind of its own. And the strangest thing of all was behaving like a living organism.
Kidding.
Berg fucked up with those biochips. They kicked him out. They sacked him, and he ended up in that experimented with that elevator computer, and something went wrong.
그 내용에 대해 빌딩으로 잠입하자는 그녀를 마크가 말리게 됩니다.
Headed in the engine room, right?
No way, no, forget it. We are not breaking into the
It's right here.
All right,
Bye.
bye.
다음 날 출근을 하던 회장은 엘베 뚜껑이 열린 걸 발견하게 되고 곧이어 제프의 시체가 발견되게 됩니다.
Morning, Mr. Milligan.
Man, I'll be right over.
Involved in one or more of the accidents at the Millennium Building. There's an ongoing investigation, and future arrests are possible.
경찰은 수사 브리핑 자리에서 제프를 용의자로 말하며 그에게 협박 편지를 받았다고 거짓 발표를 하게 되고
I told you earlier, we're in possession of an Army psychiatric report as a mentally deranged person.
Friends going down in history as the Millennium Killer.
He's a fall guy.
마크는 이 모든 건 거짓이며 과거 제프의 파트너가 똑같이 희생된 일이 있었던 걸 에반스에게 말해주게 됩니다.
Guy Kowalski died also.
Who's Kowalski?
Jeff's old partner, the suicide.
Was it?
Well, I'm beginning to wonder. I mean, maybe he knew too much.
결국 문제없다 평가된 엘베는 다시 가동되었고
It didn't stop. Didn't stop on my floor. I pushed the button. We're going faster. Is this normal?
또다시 빠르게 올라가며 이제는 아래 뚜껑이 열리게 되면서 많은 사람들이 끔찍하게 희생되고 엘베는 천장과 부딪혀서야 멈추게 됩니다.
Ladies and gentlemen.
사건이 심각해지자 나라에선 테러로 의심하며 군 병력을 투입하게 됐고
The scene of a vile and malevolent act of terror are tracked down apprehended, and convicted. During their investigation, the building and surrounding area will be sealed off to the public.
Is this what you were trying to achieve? What's wrong with you? I mean, the slightest setback. Slightest setback?
사실 이 모든 건 건물 보안 담당자와 박사가 엘베에 심어둔 바이오 칩 실험으로 생긴 문제였는데 더 이상 버틸 수 없었던 보안 담당자는 당장 그것을 제거하라 명령합니다.
I don't know if I can. You created this monster. You kill it.
상황을 해결하기 위해 빌딩을 찾은 에반스와 마크.
You sure you want to go through with this?
You're chickening out. I knew it. Rug.
Get down.
Let's see some ID.
Yeah, I'm delivering material. That elevator's really fucked up, you know.
What's in the back?
Stuff for elevators.
Get out of the car, please.
You're kidding. It's raining. It'll ruin my hair.
Get out of the car and open the back for us. Can't find the right key?
Well, I'm sure it's gotta be one of them.
You're inside.
What?
Check the van.
에반스가 검문에 걸린 사이 마크는 다른 차량으로 몰래 숨어 빌딩 안으로 들어온 데 성공하게 됩니다.
And 4. Okay. Stingers. I think this whole thing is blown out of proportion.
If you see Bin Laden, say hello.
I will.
그는 엘베 관리실로 들어가 수동장치를 몰래 켜놓고 외부를 조용히 살피려 하는데 엘베가 급격히 내려가게 됩니다.
Where's the elevator company? The van was reported stolen.
There must be some kind of misunderstanding.
One of the express elevators is coming down.
Lock her up.
What?
어쩔 수 없이 작동기를 부숴 해당 층의 주위를 끌어놓고 천장을 통해 나가 엘베 통로 상부를 살펴보기 시작하는데
Look out, Libyans!
Fuck! Oh, jeez.
Relax, I was joking. Come on, sir, please, just... Damn!
Who's riding that elevator?
We don't know.
It's going up again.
Thought all power was cut.
It was.
무언가 끈적한 게 떨어지고 있는 박스를 발견하게 되고 그것으로 가려는 순간
Turn the power on. What are you talking about? Who turned on the power?
We got terrorists inside the building at this moment.
It stopped on the 62nd floor.
Get a unit up there.
수동장치가 내려가게 되면서 어쩔 수 없이 로프를 타고 올라가게 됩니다. 마크는 상자를 열자 복잡하게 연결된 심장 모양의 무언가를 발견하게 되고 그것을 마구 찔러보는데
Let's get the fuck out of here. What's going on? It's alive.
그를 공격하기 위해 꼭대기층의 엘베가 다시 떨어지게 됐고 마크는 몸을 던져 간신히 목숨을 건지게 됩니다.
ID, hand it over. All right, sorry, sir. Go ahead. Let him through.
그 시각 자신의 발명품을 지키기 위해 박사가 빌딩에 들어오게 되는데 그의 과거 문제를 알고 있던 정부 요원이 그를 알아보게 됩니다.
Maybe we're not dealing with terrorists.
미사일을 챙겨 바이오 칩을 끝내려던 마크를 박사가 제지시키게 되고
I said put it down.
둘의 몸싸움이 일던 중 에반스가 나타납니다.
Put your hands up.
You're not gonna shoot me. The gun.
I mean it! You okay? What are you doing? I got him covered.
It's not for him.
You can't. It's everything I've ever worked for.
그때 나타난 경찰들로 인해 박사는 총을 빼앗으며 저항해보지만 자신의 발명품의 선택을 받으며 끌려가게 됐고 기지를 발휘한 마크가 그것을 폭파시키는 데 성공하게 됩니다.
Nice one.
Easy, okay?
Yeah, I will.
며칠 뒤 병원에서 태어나는 마크는 승진한 에반스와 엘베에 다시 함께 타게 되는데
What happened?
You pressed the emergency button.
뜨거워지는 둘의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 마칩니다. 영화 잘 보셨나요? 영화 더 샤프트는 2001년에 개봉한 미국 호러 영화입니다. 영화는 엘리베이터 소재의 공포 영화였는데 기존의 해당 영화들과는 달리 엘리베이터 자체가 인격을 가진다는 나름 신선한 소재의 영화였습니다. 2001년작이다 보니 생명체의 표현이나 CG는 어설픈 점이 보이긴 했지만 일상 그 자체인 엘리베이터에 대한 공포를 느끼기엔 충분했고 킹콩의 주연이었던 나오미 와츠가 기자 에반스의 역에 너무 찰떡으로 잘 어울리게 연기를 잘했다는 생각이 들기에 해당 배우를 좋아하시는 분들이라면 킬링타임 느낌으로 풀영상 보시는 걸 추천드립니다. 오늘도 끝까지 시청해주셔서 너무 감사드리고요. 형님들 누님들 구독과 좋아요 꼭 좀 부탁드리겠습니다. 이상 쿠쿠무비였습니다.